Azure Bastion. My name is Pradeep Rane with more than 19 years of experience on Microsoft Infra products. I train on different products, Azure certified on administration as well as security. So what is Azure Bastion host? It is a jump server as a service within Azure Virtual Network. So instead of creating a jump host, I would directly go ahead and create a Bastion server on Azure. We'll see how exactly it has been created. So right now I'm creating a resource group. Along with that, I'll create a virtual machine. This virtual machine has been created with a public IP, so I would go ahead and remove the public IP from the virtual machine so it has not been accessed from outside world. Once my virtual machine is created, which you can see, resources, I can see that the resource group and the resources are created. You can see the test virtual machine being created, and below you can see that there is a test virtual network which is there along with a public IP. I would go ahead and delete this public IP. So I go into the IP configurations, click on the subnet. Once I click on the subnet, I can see that there is an IP, which I disable it. Now when I go ahead in my test virtual machine and try to connect it through the RDP, it will show me that it's not getting connected. I'll download the RDP, connect it, and you can see it's not getting connected. Azure Bastion basically works on creating a subnet for Azure Bastion. So I'm going into my test virtual network. Under subnets, I'm going ahead and creating an extra subnet by the name of Azure Bastion. Remember, the name has to be exactly the same. Microsoft suggests have a 27 onwards network range. Once I click OK, I would be able to see that there is a subnet which is being created, which would be used for Azure Bastion. Another thing is I have to go ahead and enable the Bastion services. So either I can go ahead, type Bastion, click on to add, select my resource group, give a name to my Bastion host server, which I'm giving as Bastion itself. I'll select my virtual network and automatically it selects the new subnet which I have created, which is by the name of Azure Bastion. Over here, I would give a public IP. So instead of my virtual machines having public IP, my Bastion network will have a public IP. Once I go ahead and click on create, my Bastion host server is created. I now go on to my Bastion service and see that yes, it has been created. I'll go ahead onto my virtual machine after this. Once I click on the test virtual machine, this time I will connect it through the Bastion option which is given to me. Enter my username and password and click on connect. You can see it actually opens a HTML5 client on my web page and connects to the virtual machine over there. That's it, I'm connected to my virtual machine. I can still see that there is no public IP address over here.